Hey, what's up guys? I'm Maazel and welcome to my Soundteams Masterclass. Today I'm gonna break down my latest single, Thinking About You. Huge work on the automation. Each time it's a different clap. I'm gonna try to show you how to create a future pop track. We're gonna cover how to record a guitar, double take, which is a technique that I've been using lately to make it sound wider. Let's go. I'm gonna hit record. I can see some plucky sounds. Drum fills. Let's dive into the dough.